giving you a spectacular view. Watch out below, it's a long way down. Hold tight to your belongings and your parents. Welcome to the island in the sky at LEGOLAND, Florida. We hope you enjoy this 360-degree view from 150 feet in the air. The island in the sky has been an icon in the skyline of Winter Haven for nearly 3 decades. We are thrilled to bring this beloved ride back to its splendor for your enjoyment. LEGOLAND, Florida is built on the former site of Cypress Gardens, Florida's first theme park, which originally opened in 1936. Cypress Gardens was built by Dick Pope Sr. during the 1930s and is now an integral part of LEGOLAND, Florida, with our very own LEGO Cypress Bells, with beautiful views over Lake Eloise, and the breathtaking banyan tree that was planted from a wheelbarrow in 1936 by Dick Pope Sr. himself. Cypress Gardens became the water ski capital of the world during the 1950s and 60s, with many film stars and sporting celebrities of the era filming movies, TV commercials, and game shows on the banks of Lake Eloise. You will be able to see as far as Bach Tower, located in Lake Wales, and the vast number of lakes here in the Central Florida area. Giant as you walk through Miniland, USA, featuring incredibly detailed cities built out of more than 30 million Lego bricks. Think you can count them from up here? Speaking of lakes, as we pass our beautiful Lake Eloise, see if you can spot our resident pirate water skiing at Brickbeard's Bounty.